It's your boy Tikio back with another video. Subway Surfer time. Let me put the record on the iPhone. And here we go. Okay, this is only a pre-one. Remember that. Okay, jumping and jumping. Okay, we got this, okay? But this is only a pre-one, guys. So don't worry. It's okay. It's okay because, well, I've been through pre-ones and they are not that good. And I am good at Subway Surfers. I am too good, just too good. Okay, so double tap for our board, got it. I already knew that. You're the rock number, okay. Okay, here we go. Let's start off this time and with this pre-time run. Guys, if I don't make it to 900, I will get slapped with lotion in my face by Jason. So please let me reach up to 900. So I can't fail. I promise. Okay, here we go. Man, this is one of the hardest games I ever played. Why you got Subway Surfers for the first time? I did not even know how to play it. I thought the boats were the only thing to the game, like to jump high and not. I always ignored a jetpack. Okay, so here we go, guys. We're going up and down. Okay, here we go. Turn, and turn back in. Up, down, down. No, right. Okay. Guys, here we go. Okay, I should be at the end. Yeah, Tony, that's a good name. Not good. I take it back. Tony's not a good name. Here we go. Under the edge, coming through here. Oh shoot, I got hit. I need to start running. Jump down. Boy, go catch me. He can't catch me. Yeah. You can't catch me, boy. You know how strong I am? I'm better. I'm so much better. I'm better. I'm blessed. Because I'm better. This magnet's gonna help me. Okay, here we go. Okay, guys, I'm reaching the level, and here I go. Okay, jumping through. Okay. I can probably cut through inside. Okay. Cut to the right. Okay, watch my position. Guys, I'm close to 900, so you better try to stop me. But you ain't. You can't stop me. I'm going to reach 900. That's the one thing I can guarantee. I will reach 900. Okay, here we go. Jump through. Almost had me. Okay, here we go. Down, up. Dump. Also, I'm sorry for saying this, but if you're a Cavalier fan and you're watching this video, I'm a Warriors. Yes. I tell y'all half of my stuff about my life. So I'm going to tell y'all this right now. I am not a Cavaliers fan. I hate LeBron James' work. He always calls fouls, and he's just not good. He's going to the Lakers, probably, with Paul George. Paul George going to the Lakers. We all saw that coming. But still, it doesn't make any sense. Like, you leave a team that's in your hometown. Don't be like Kyrie Irving. Kyrie Irving went to Boston for a reason. That's just to win a championship by himself without LeBron James. Okay, here we go. Up, down. Oh, almost hit me. Okay, up. Come on. Yes, I reached the 900 mark. You guys are no match for me now. I ain't getting slapped my face with no lotion. What I look like. Alright, here we go, guys. I'm about to get out of here. If I can try to reach 1,000, I can do that. Okay, I just hope I don't get hit. Okay, here we go. Almost got hit. Come on. If I can just swoop through here. Yes, I'm going to pass the 900 mark. And I am the greatest. I am the GOAT. I'm the GOAT. No one can. Okay, let's see my prize. 1,000 bonus. That's great, guys. Well, guys, that was only the pre-run. And I hope to see y'all in the next video. Holla at ya. Yeah.